safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Be careful when opening the overhead compartments, as items inside may fall out. Please also check that you have all your personal belongings before leaving the aircraft. You may now switch on your personal electronic devices with cellular functions. With the rollout of the e-travel customs system by the Bureau of Customs, all arriving and departing passengers can now fill out the electronic customs baggage declaration form and electronic currencies declaration form. Passengers are required to present their passports and QR code to the customs officer for clearance. If you are bringing in foreign or Philippine currency or monetary instruments exceeding 10,000 US dollar or 50,000 Philippine pesos, are required to declare by electronic currency declaration form. Forced declaration or non-declaration of the above will result in confiscation by customs authorities. More information can be found in the baggage claimed area. If you have any questions, please approach the customs officer upon arrival. It's been our pleasure taking care of you today. If Manila is home, a very warm welcome home. Thank you for flying Cathay Pacific, a member of the One World Alliance. 歡迎嚟到馬尼拉，為安全起